I just got back from the office. I left without my coffee this morning, so I'm in like that kind of mood. But anyway, I'm gonna make me my coffee right now. Okay, 7th. Chocolate, honey, raspberry. Well, at least chocolate and raspberry. That sounds good. Nicaraguan. I know what these numbers mean. Anyway, okay, number 7. Get this out and ready. That looks like a bomb. It's an ornament. Let's pick out a cup, maybe coffee, and get to brewing. So day 1 of Vlogmas, we're decorating our tree and we're using, and Boo's getting really excited, we're using our, coming in here, our Starbucks advent calendar from years past. Let's see if I can find one. There it is. So number 25 there. They had this really cool set. I believe it had chocolate in them. It was several years ago.
Will you be quiet? Yeah.
Bamboo.
The mail is coming, that's what it is. Go ahead, back to your post. Go back to your post. Thank you. You can go back to your post now.
So up here we start with the reds. Got some random snowflakes in there. And there's some gold in there because that was the color scheme. These balls are like a yellow chartreuse color from the advent calendar. That's day 1, it looks like. And then got these food themed things from Walmart to go in. We're going down to teal. Then we started with the greens, green items, just Starbucks cup ornament. I'm gonna come down into blues. And then we're going to end down here in the purples with some cupcakes and such in there. But I'm going to go in there and fill in with some tinsel when I find some. But yeah, so that's the tree decorating. We have reached a point where the dogs are actually going in and saying, you're off work. Get out here and do advent calendars. Bamboo was just like jumping on me, like get out here. It is 5 o'clock. Let's move. Let's move. But joke's on him. We're doing this one first. But she's right here. Little Lush is right here. Please be a rosé or something. I want to drink tonight. It's freaking white. Proper etiquette. Chenin Blanc from South Africa. Wow, this is worldly. Well, that should be interesting. Day 7. How am I going to treat myself? Oh, fancy. I so want to try this brand by Terry. What do we got? What do we got? Hyaluronic something. Colorless pressed powder, hydro powder. No, Boo will not give a flying fig about the cookies, but Pickles really is enamored with this stuff. So some stars. And then we've got upper right here. Ended up being a bone, so I'll get that in his crate tonight when we have dinner. last but not least, I want to know what my chocolat is for the evening. And 777, where are you, 7? Why am I having such a hard time? There it is. Right there. Oh. I can share with Stefan. He'll be happy. You're on, sir.
All right. It's a white wine, a Chenin Blanc from South Africa, and it's called Proper Etiquette. So I guess we're supposed to like extend our pinkies or something as we drink it.
Pinkies out. Don't burp afterwards. It's not bad.
Yeah. I think this one's like...
What were the notes
like,
again?
Huh?
What were the notes again?
This said green apple, verbena, and honeysuckle core.
I smell the verbena.
I don't know what verbena even is.
It's like an orangey kind of.
Oh, okay, it's another citrus fruit. Yeah, like a pomelo or a bergamot.
Exactly. No, lemon, like lemon verbena, lemony. So citrus, yeah. But interesting.
I thought this. I took a taste of this before I brought them out. I thought this would be like on the right on the border. You might like it or not.
I think that it's really cold is going down easier. Hi, you all are just going crazy right now.
It's got a little bit of that tannic bitterness, but it's got a nice fruity flavor too.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. So, honestly, I would probably prefer a nice cup of coffee right now as an afternoon drink rather than wine, but that's just because I didn't have enough coffee today and I'm cranky.
Yeah, you had to show up.
I had to go to work in person, but not just that. I had to skip my morning pot of coffee. I just didn't have enough time, so I'm a cranky biatch today. So have a nice night, y'all.